Now that you have selected TECHGEAR Screen Protector, let me help you with the installation. Use the cleaning cloth to remove any dust, dirt, or grime until it is perfectly clean. Step 1. Place the screen protector on your screen to check the correct alignment. Step 2. Hold the sticker labeled 1, then very slowly and gently peel away the white film. Step 3. When you are satisfied with the position, gently press down along the screen using the applicator card. Step 4. Place the card on the red Push 1 line, then lift the screen protector from the Tab 2, and then press the applicator card down along the screen, removing the film from underneath. Step 5. Now place the card on the red Push 2 line, then lift the screen protector from the Tab 3, and then press the applicator card down along the screen, removing the film from underneath. Step 6. Gently remove the final film by pulling away from sticker labeled 4. Do not worry if you see a line across your screen, it will disappear within 24 to 48 hours. Resistant to finger oils, grease, and other contaminants that can build up on touchscreens. Precise and smooth touch experience. Work perfectly with stylus pens and Apple pencils.